the windscreen buffeting on the Cb500X, and I'm trying all different mods I can think of to try to eliminate it or cut it down a bit. So if you stay tuned and look at it, you'll see what's happening on today's test and see long term whether the idea is a good one or a fizzer. Only time will tell, but unless you get out there and test and try these things, no one knows the answers, and if it works, it could only cost you a couple of dollars to do the mod, and if it doesn't work, well, it's only cost you a bit of time looking. So long term, we'll see what happens over the next few days or the next 2 or 3 videos and see if I can sort this out, or if I'll be going to some place to buy a factory mod and see how that goes. But at this stage I think I'm keen to try out a few of these ideas of mine. I've got nothing to lose apart from a bit of time, and somebody long term may benefit from it apart from myself. So anyway, let's get into it. Road work ahead. Road work everywhere, all the time. Although I would say this is the first time they've touched this road here that I can recall in 50 years. So it looks like they are trying to improve it. It's hard to believe the road could be the same for 50 odd years. Actually, I sort of like flying around these bends in the classic 500, so the Enfield, so I think those days are gone now. Looks like they're going to totally seal the whole section, so that'll be a plus. We're in the camera header position now. When I pull up here, I'll just point the camera up into the trees, and you can get an idea how bad this wind's blowing out there. It's pretty savage. Probably some might say, well, that was a perfect day to take it out for the test. Maybe. Here looks a pretty good spot. I've parked over here before. Where can I get through? Let's go in here for a bit of a look. Good place to park. Let's pull her up here. Yeah, so like I said earlier, I think these ideas I'm putting together to see if it'll work, could crack it with it, and you know, like if I had no faith in any of these ideas working, I'd probably just give up now and forget it. But I really think it's a possibility that I could be on track. And back earlier along the road there, when I was cruising along at 100 k's or something like that, no, the bike was running well and seemed to be a bigger improvement. When I finally get to the one where I think it's going to do the damage, I might run the bike factory form. That's exactly how it sits factory, the modified, and then the screen right off, and so I can do a 3-position comparison. So that'll be me next move. So you know, I think things are looking positive, and we'll see where this goes. Plus guys, this could be a very cheap fix too, I'd reckon. Maybe just a couple of dollars or just a few dollars. So if this idea pans out and hits the target, I think it'll be a good move for virtually no money. We'll just tighten this up. The top ones, I've taped it down here in the bottom part of the nose on that block. Like they'll prove that a bit better. Check how it appears to be tight. Okay, we'll give her a burst. Oh well guys, didn't go very far down the road, about a kilometre, and that other adjustment was a write-off. The rake was probably too far back and just a lot of buffeting once again around it. I've now moved to another position and we're working on front section here, just a couple of fingers almost. We'll see how this one performs. Okay guys, back on the bike. Another angle.